from your local Houston BMW Center studios. KMKQ Houston Galveston.
Channel 6. Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here. Today is Sunday, June 18th, 2023 at 11:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and this will be part 1 of my June 2023 fire alarm collection overview. And in this first part, we're going to be looking at my pull stations that I have. So that being said, here we go. So starting with the first pull station I ever got, this is my Firelight BG12 SL. I got this about 8 years ago at this point. Actually, a little over 8 years ago. Back when I first got it, I didn't really know much about pull stations, how to take care of them, so it definitely does look rough. At one point, I got a little piece stuck in the lock and I had to take the lock out. So yeah, and then the switch broke on it, so I ended up jerry-rigging a toggle switch in there, and I managed to get a paper clip to use to work as a spring for the handle, because the spring broke as well. So yeah, go ahead and pull it. There we go. Flip the toggle switch back up. There we go. So yeah, you haven't seen this system test video yet, but you will eventually. There we go. There we go. Now going to the next pull station I got. This is my Simplex 425120. Now the button on this broke as well a while back, and the spring broke as well. So this is the button on my Mertone 73303U, which y'all have never seen, and y'all probably won't unless I get some parts for it, because I took the button out of it because I couldn't. There's a bolt that I tried to put on it to put the clip back on, that the part of the front is supposed to go behind, and I can't get the bolt off. It didn't work, and I can't get it off now, so yeah, unless I can get something to cut it off with, probably not going to see the Mertone 73303U ever, or not anytime soon. So yeah, and I need to look at repainting the lettering up here and redoing the lettering here. But anyway, go ahead and pull it. Then let me go ahead and get my generic B key, B Cat 30. Let's go ahead and close it back up. Then I have one of my Firecom F943 addressable pull stations. This is the one that's in better condition. Paint's chipped a tiny bit, but overall it's in pretty good condition. As you know, I have another one of these that I've repainted 1 or 2 times. I'm actually trying to restore now and get the text painted on. So that's why it's not here, so I won't be seeing that. But this one's still in good condition, still has its original addressable module, so yeah, I'll go ahead and pull it. There we go. Get my SC10 key out. Then I have this generic panic button. You've seen this 1 or 2 times. This was in board system test 3. And as you may remember, I have one before this that had a completely flat button, but it broke, so I had to get another one. I haven't used this in a bit, so yeah. Takes a little skeleton key. This is what a bank might use for a silent alarm or something. So there we go. Now, let me show you what pull stations are on the board system. Now for the pull stations that are on the board system. Here I have my newest pull station, the Edwards 270A SPO. Paint is a little bit scuffed, but that's how it came from eBay. I got brand new on eBay, but the seller didn't pack it well. So you gotta go ahead and pull it. And the system is powered off right now. You know how these things can be. There we go. So it just has one toggle switch in it. Some of the pull stations with the where if you pull it, it just has goes in the first stage, and then there'll be a key switch here, and you can turn it, put in second stage. Also have my Cerberus Pyrotronics MS-151. This is not even wired up to the system, so not exactly in the best condition. I've repainted it 1 or 2 times. First time didn't go well, so I repainted it again. It looks better now. And I forgot about this. Get these wires out of the way. This is my Simplex 2098-9806 test station. This is normally used for like duct detectors and all that. A lot of people here on YouTube use it for either as a power switch or as a drill switch, or sometimes like me, a general pull station or whatever. Mainly you find these on Simplex systems, mainly the 4100 systems, the 4100, the original 41, or really the 4020, the 4120, the 4100 Classic, the 4100 Plus, the 4100U, the older ES system, the newer ES system. Which, speaking of, if you haven't heard yet, Simplex is actually going to be discontinuing the 4100 ES systems. They are discontinuing the 4100U, but now they're going to be discontinuing the 4100 ES line. So, yeah. And replacing with the new MX series, which may be not as much of a pain for companies to have. So, yeah. I don't know if these will be on there, but yeah, these have been used for quite a while. You can see them, like I said, on 4020, 4120, 4100 Classic, 4100 Plus, 4100U, 4100 ES, and actually on some very late 2001 systems, as well as 4001, 4002 systems, you might see these, but yeah. And some systems, you may see them also on some Firelight or Notifier systems. If there's a Firelight or Notifier panel that's taken over for a Simplex panel, might still have some of these on there. So, yeah. And actually, fun fact, there's a similar looking lock that would go about here in the 270 SPO, 270 SPO or 270A SPO. It's wrong a bit. But in that spot I showed you where I said a general alarm switch would be, it'd be something similar to this. As a matter of fact, I might take the same key, but who knows. But yeah, anyway, that's going to be it for part 1 of my June 2023 fire alarm collection overview. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to have yourself a nice day.